Bon dia, Josep Bautista here and welcome back to my show. I hope you're all okay and had a good summer vacation. During my YouTube break in August, I decided it was time to gear up a little bit my camera settings and improve one of the things that has been a little bit of a problem in my videos for this whole time, and that was the audio quality. For those who have been following my channel for a while might know that the camera I use for my blogging and my travels is mostly the DJI Osmo Pocket, because it's really convenient, it's light, and I can take it anywhere, but it has two problems that I needed to solve. First problem is the audio. The mic is really small and it's located in front of the camera, so sometimes when I hold it, I just press on the mic. And second problem is when I connect it to the iPhone this way, it just hangs from the side, so it's really not safe for the camera, and these pins bend easy, so I needed to buy a bunch from Amazon, so I bought two things to solve these problems. One is the microphone adapter to connect to the DJI and use with the microphone I'm using on the camera right now. And the other is a holder kit. Give me just a second to connect everything. Okay, so this is how it looks with the holder kit. It doesn't look anymore like an Osmo Pocket, more like a semi-gimbal, and it still misses the mic that I'm using right now, so it will look even bigger, but hopefully it will work and I will take it for my next travel. And before that, I'm gonna try and check here somewhere in this building. I wanna try and capture some of the surrounding sounds as well. So for that, I have to get out of here and find some place to try it. Okay, let's do this. Why do I have the feeling that I'm in a Resident Evil game? I'm gonna head to the rooftop. Might be safer. Okay, I think this is a good spot to check the background audio. I hope you enjoyed the little homage I did to Resident Evil. And now I have a lot of background noise. The wind is blowing, crows in the background, cars. So let's see if the mic works as well with the whole holder kit setting. So I'm gonna go back to my room and check all the footage and see how the audio worked. And after all that, I'm gonna say my impressions about the holder kit I just bought. Hopefully it will work for my next vacation because it's starting now. So let's go back to my room. Okay, back into my room. I'm ready to share my thoughts about the holder kit. Now the microphone is again on the camera so you can hear me. So first of all, the audio quality, may you've seen it, you can hear a lot of more things that are in the background, like the steps, and it gets a little bit better quality audio. Also, it cuts a lot of the wind sounds, and before I use only the DJI, That sound was terrible, and you can see it in many of my videos that I had so many problems. I had to cut many times, and now I have to worry a little bit less about that. Today I'm gonna show you how to make it in Photoshop. But I realized a huge problem, and that's the size of the microphone itself. It's really long and big, so it gets in the way of the camera, and every time I try to go slightly to the left, it's just like a huge bulky thing in front of the camera. But I know that soon I will have to buy another mic, a one that is smaller and it fits and it doesn't get in the way of the camera. And the other thing is that the holder kit, it got really heavier than I'm used to block with just the DJI, but it can work as a workout, so I'm happy with that. And that's all I gotta say about the holder kit and the microphone. I checked it, everything works, I checked the material, it works, sounds good. So next step is going to be taking it to my vacation, and if I'm lucky, when you're watching this video, I'm going somewhere inside Japan. I still haven't decided where, or if I'm gonna be able to go, or even if I'm gonna have my vacation. So for now, let's say I'm going somewhere. You can check it on my Instagram, because probably I will be sharing it on my stories, because usually you can find me there. And I have a question for you that you can answer on the comment section below, and that's, I'm curious about what gear do you use on your vacation, what camera you use, and if you use also the DJI Osmo Pocket. I've seen many people here in Japan that uses it, so I'm curious to know how many people watching my channel also like take cameras and record their vacation. And if you enjoy watching this video, please give it a like, subscribe. It keeps the channel alive, it's free, and it will make me really happy, so I can keep creating more contents and sharing more videos with you. So, until next video, fins aviat!